lipoprotein, fat and oil, carbohydrate. All these are substrate for enzyme. All these are what? They are substrate for enzyme. Is that okay? But pesticide is an inhibitor. How many nitrogen molecules are there in the structure of ATP? ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Now, it contains the what is it called? It contains a nucleotide. And the nucleotide consists of pentose sugar. Then we have nitrogenous base, and then we have the phosphate group. Because it's triphosphate, it has 3 phosphate group. You understand this better when you come to year 2. Now, this nitrogenous base that is present in ATP is adenine. And adenine, from my understanding, has 4 nitrogen, not 5. It has 4 nitrogen. All right. Abi any other thing has nitrogen in ATP. And then it has 4 nitrogen. 2 on the 6-membered ring, 2 on the 5-membered ring. All right. And then it has 5 nitrogen. Are you sure? Where? Let me check. I want to confirm something, please. Oh, it does have 5 nitrogen. Because I was counting just the ring. The structure is something like this. You have this nitrogen here. You have this nitrogen here. Then this one, then this one. This is structure of adenine. But I was focused on only this structure. Forgot that there is NH2 here. So this one is a nitrogen on top. So if you count, this adenine is the nitrogenous base that is present in the structure of ATP. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nitrogen atoms. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Is that okay? Option D is the correct answer. The next one. The first step in aerobic respiration is the conversion of pyruvate to a high energy intermediate by addition of acetyl-CoA. Is that okay? By the addition of not acetyl-CoA, is by the addition of coenzyme A, which converted pyruvate to what? Acetyl-CoA. Is that okay? By the addition of what? Coenzyme A, which convert what? Pyruvate to what? Acetyl-CoA. So the correct answer is supposed to be coenzyme A, option B. Is that okay? It is not converted to, say, by addition of coenzyme A. So when coenzyme A is added to pyruvate, it will be converted to acetyl-CoA, which is the high energy intermediate. Are you getting it? So that is that. Now, next. The production of a meiotic and extra-embryonic membrane is an adaptive feature of a meiotic and extra-embryonic membrane is an adaptive features of reptile. Reptiles produces shelled amniotic eggs for terrestrial reproduction. All right. So the correct answer is option B, reptiles. Now, which of the following organisms possesses expanded cerebral cortex? Now, mammals like rabbits have well-developed cerebral cortexes. So the correct answer is what? Rabbit. Is that okay? Rabbit. The next one. Vocalization for reproduction is exhibited in all these organisms except which people don't vocalize for reproduction. Are you sure? Humans, dolphin vocalize, frog vocalize, bird vocalize, monkey vocalize. Say except, yeah, it's not a well-defined purpose, not for specifically reproduction for human. People dey moon now. Those that are grunting and those that will tell you, Shalugo, come over. Are those ones not part of vocalization? But every other options here they vocalize specifically for reproduction. But for humans, he might use the vocalization to lie to Jennifer and several other persons. So vocalization has a more broader purpose as compared to just um, reproduction. Are you getting it? So the correct answer is option E. Humans. Yeah, like me now, I'm vocalizing teaching. So it's not specific for reproduction. Hmm? But every other organism here is specific for reproduction. Now, viruses are encapsulated in a protein molecule. They are encapsulated in what we call capsid. And this capsid is a protein molecule. All right. So the correct answer is A. There's a protective covering, encapsulated, enveloped virus. They are encapsulated in a capsid, which is a protein molecule. Now, which of the following statement is not true of viruses? They possess only one kind of nucleic acid. Now, they possess two types of. So, which of the following is not true of viruses? They possess two types of nucleic acid. They are parasites. A virus is a complete block of genetic material. They are smaller than bacteria. Viruses, although they can possess two types of nucleic acid, but one virus cannot have two. Are you getting it? A virus can either be a DNA virus or an or it could be an RNA virus. But saying that they possess two types of nucleic acid in one, they can only possess only one acid, either a DNA or RNA. But possessing two of them, no, it's not true of viruses. Conjunctivitis is caused by an adenovirus. It's a common eye infection. Conjunctivitis is caused by an adenovirus. It is a common eye infection. All right? So please take note of that. Enzymes that catalyze structural changes within a single molecule are called structural changes. Has to do with isomer. Since isomer is a phenomenon whereby couple have the same molecular formula but different structural arrangement. And the enzyme that actually does that are the isomers. Are you getting it? This is also supposed to be isomeresis, not just iso. Are you getting it? Option B. Now, which of the following is not a DNA virus? Now, we have DNA virus and we have RNA virus. Please go and read viruses. So, virus, bacteria, and fungi. Read under virus, bacteria, and fungi very well. Is that okay? Which of the following is not a DNA virus? Know the differences between DNA virus and the ones that are RNA virus. Now, all of the viruses you have here are DNA virus, apart from piconavirus. Piconavirus is not a DNA virus. Herpes virus is a DNA virus. Are you getting it? Herpes. Adenovirus is a DNA virus. Post viral, even parvovirus is a DNA virus, but piconavirus is an RNA virus. All right. So I'll make a lecture after now on viruses, DNA, RNA, and some of the things you need to know. All right, so that is that. Now let's see. The following are RNA viruses except you see DNA virus, you see adenovirus here. Are you getting it? Exactly. You say you see adenovirus, you see parvovirus. Yeah, I think one of the options are wrong. The following are RNA viruses except parvovirus, they are DNA viruses. Even adenoviruses, they are DNA viruses. So I don't know why that one is also part of the option. All right. Adenovirus is a DNA virus. Trying to make something. So DNA virus, we have herpes simplex virus. That one is correct. Adenovirus is correct. Pus virus is correct. Parvovirus is correct. Then the RNA virus, that is where you have coronavirus, flu, influenza virus, and so on and so forth. So I don't know why these two, because say the following are RNA viruses itself. Adenovirus and parvovirus are not supposed to be here. Even uh, even post virus is here too. I believe what they want to ask in this particular question is DNA virus, which is Toga virus. Are you getting it? Toga virus is an RNA virus because post virus is also there, and post virus is of course one of the ones we discuss here. Toga virus is an RNA virus that belongs to the family Togaviridae. All right. So I believe they want to ask which of the following are okay. Let me read the question wrong. Oh. The following are RNA virus. No, most of the following are DNA virus, except not RNA. All right. So please take note of that. Is a confusion from the pit of hell. All right. So most of the following are RNA viruses, or the following are DNA viruses, except. All right. Toga virus is an RNA virus. Also, Picona virus is an RNA virus. Now, the washing effect of mucus in human beings, which helps in checking viruses, is handled by the washing effect of mucus in human being, which helps in checking viruses, is handled by what? What do you think handled them? The respiratory cell. Now, these cells produce mucus that trap and remove pathogens. So the correct answer is option B. Respiratory cells are the one that does that. The ability to overcome infection by pathogenic microbe and parasite is called immunization or immunity. The ability is called immunity. To overcome infection by pathogenic microbe and parasite is called immunity. Now, some of you are immune to certain diseases, and no matter what, if you catch everybody when they're in your room, but you know they do you. That process is called immunity. Please read immunization or immunity. The different types of immunity, passive immunity, active immunity, and so on and so forth. You are going to see some questions from there. All right. Read immunity very well. You're going to see some questions from there. Which of the following fishes possesses claspers? Now, shark and the one that possesses clasper. Claspers are male reproductive organ in cartilaginous fishes like shark.